Okay, we're gonna do a quick haul before I left from work. So I got these giant bubbles for tomorrow because I'm off tomorrow and I would like to play with this. I'm just curious. I would like to play with these giant bubbles with Ayla tomorrow. It's a bonding moment, and I'm running out of cleaning wipes, makeup removing wipes. So I got makeup removing wipes, and I saw this one caught my eyes. It's a volumizing roller clips, no heat needed. So yung one pack is 4 pieces, so I grabbed 2, 4 here on the other side and 4 here. I would like to try this. Interesting. It's just basically it's a hair clips that you can clip it in your hair, and then you got a volume to your hair. So I'm excited about this one. I'll try it tomorrow. I'll play with it tomorrow. And last one but not the least is a nail polish. I picked the Easter color, like a pastel colors. I'm excited to do my nails tomorrow because we're off. We don't have to go to work tomorrow, so I'm have time to do my nail polish. So yeah, that's all I got in the store before I go home.